Imran Khan and Nawaz Sharif are both prominent figures in Pakistani politics, but there are several differences between them in terms of their background, political ideology, and policies. Background: Imran Khan was a former cricketer who led Pakistan to victory in the 1992 Cricket World Cup. He later entered politics and founded the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf (PTI) party. Nawaz Sharif, on the other hand, comes from a business background and has been a prominent figure in Pakistani politics since the 1980s. Political ideology: Imran Khan's political ideology is centered around social justice, democracy, and anti-corruption. He has been a vocal critic of Pakistan's political establishment and has called for systemic reforms to address the country's social and economic challenges. Nawaz Sharif, on the other hand, is a center-right politician who has been associated with pro-business policies and economic liberalization. Policies: as Prime Minister, Imran Khan has initiated several policies to address corruption, poverty, and inequality in Pakistan. He has also advocated for peaceful negotiations to resolve conflicts in the region and has taken steps to improve relations with neighboring countries. Nawaz Sharif, on the other hand, has been associated with policies focused on economic growth and has been criticized for his close ties with the military establishment. Personalities: Imran Khan is known for his charismatic personality and has been praised for his ability to mobilize support among young people in Pakistan. Nawaz Sharif, on the other hand, has been criticized for being authoritarian and for his alleged involvement in corruption. In summary, while both Imran Khan and Nawaz Sharif are important figures in Pakistani politics, they differ in terms of their backgrounds, political ideologies, policies, and personalities. Biography: Imran Khan. Imran Khan is a Pakistani politician, former cricketer, and the current Prime Minister of Pakistan. He was born on October 5, 1952, in Lahore, Pakistan. He comes from a well-educated and well-off family. His mother was a socialite and his father was a civil engineer who worked for the Pakistan Public Works Department. Khan grew up in a privileged environment and attended HSN College, one of the most prestigious schools in Pakistan. Cricket career. Imran Khan's cricket career spanned over 21 years, during which he became one of the most successful and renowned cricketers in the world. He made his debut for the Pakistan national cricket team in 1971 and played his last international match in 1992. During his career, he played 88 test matches and 175 one-day internationals, scoring over 3,000 runs and taking over 400 wickets. Khan was appointed captain of the Pakistan national team in 1982 and led the team to several historic victories, including the 1992 Cricket World Cup. His leadership and charisma made him a popular figure both in Pakistan and abroad, and he is widely regarded as one of the greatest all-rounders in the history of cricket. Political career. After retiring from cricket in 1992, Imran Khan entered politics and founded the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf (PTI) party in 1996. The party's initial focus was on promoting social welfare and justice in Pakistan, and it gained support from young people and educated professionals who were dissatisfied with the country's political establishment. Khan contested several elections over the years but was unable to win a seat in the National Assembly until 2002. However, his party's popularity grew steadily, and in the 2013 elections, PTI emerged as the second largest party in terms of popular vote. In the 2018 general election, PTI won the most seats in the National Assembly, and Khan was sworn in as the Prime Minister of Pakistan on August 18, 2018. As Prime Minister, Imran Khan has initiated several reforms aimed at addressing Pakistan's economic and social challenges. He has launched a campaign against corruption and has promised to create job opportunities for young people. He has also taken steps to improve relations with neighboring countries, including India and Afghanistan. Khan has been a vocal critic of the United States' war on terror, and his government has opposed U.S. drone strikes on Pakistani soil. Philanthropic work. In addition to his political and cricketing careers, Imran Khan is also a philanthropist and has established several charitable organizations in Pakistan. The most notable of these is the Shaukat Khanum Memorial Cancer Hospital and Research Center in Lahore, which he founded in 1994 in memory of his mother, who died of cancer. The hospital provides free cancer treatment to patients who cannot afford it, and it has become one of the leading cancer hospitals in Pakistan. Conclusion. In conclusion, Imran Khan is a prominent figure in Pakistani politics and a former cricketing legend. He has achieved success both on and off the cricket field, and his leadership and charisma have made him a popular figure in Pakistan and abroad. As Prime Minister, he faces significant challenges in addressing Pakistan's economic and social challenges, but he has demonstrated a commitment to promoting justice, democracy, and social welfare in the country. Biography: Nawaz Sharif. Nawaz Sharif is a Pakistani politician and businessman who served as the Prime Minister of Pakistan for 3 non-consecutive terms. He was born on December 25, 1949, in Lahore, Pakistan. Shareef belongs to a business family that owns several steel mills and sugar factories in Pakistan. Business career. Nawaz Sharif started his career in business after completing his education in law and finance. His family business expanded rapidly during the 1970s and 1980s, and Shareef became one of the wealthiest men in Pakistan. He served as the president of the Lahore Chamber of Commerce and Industry from 1985 to 1988 and was also involved in the establishment of several business associations in Pakistan. Political career. Nawaz Sharif entered politics in the 1980s and became a member of the Pakistan Muslim League, PML, a conservative political party. He was appointed Chief Minister of Punjab in 1985 and held the position until 1990. During his tenure, he launched several development projects and introduced policies aimed at promoting economic growth and investment in Punjab. In 1990, Nawaz Sharif was elected as the Prime Minister of Pakistan for the first time. His government focused on economic liberalization and privatization, which led to significant growth in Pakistan's economy. However, his government was also criticized for corruption and authoritarianism, and he was removed from power in a military coup in 1999. Shareef returned to Pakistan in 2007 after a period of exile and was elected as the Prime Minister for the second time in 2013. His government launched several infrastructure projects and policies aimed at improving the country's economy. However, his government was again criticized for corruption and political instability. In 2017, Shareef was removed from the office of Prime Minister by the Supreme Court of Pakistan on corruption charges. He was later sentenced to 10 years in prison but was released on bail in 2018. In 2018 general elections, his party Pakistan Muslim League-Nawaz, PML-N, was defeated by Imran Khan's PTI. Personal life. Nawaz Sharif is married to Kalsoom Nawaz Sharif, who passed away in 2018. The couple has 4 children, including Maryam Nawaz, who is also a prominent politician in Pakistan. Conclusion. In conclusion, Nawaz Sharif is a prominent figure in Pakistani politics and a successful businessman. He has been both praised and criticized for his economic policies and leadership, and his government has faced significant challenges during his tenure. Despite his political setbacks, Shareef remains an important figure in Pakistani politics, and his party, PML-N, continues to be one of the major political forces in the country.